Leader of the lower house is asking the Department of Foreign Affairs or DFA for a prompt action against dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo that would help in limiting the former local chief executive's mobility abroad. What that plan is, Melelas Mores reveals in this report.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez believes it is best to cancel outright the Philippine passport of dismissed Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo so she can no longer freely move around abroad. According to House Deputy Majority Leader for Communications Erwin Tulfo, the House Speaker is asking the Foreign Affairs Department to take action on this issue forthwith.
Kung saan country siya without a Philippine passport, then she will be an illegal alien in that country. Therefore, she can be brought back to the Philippines. So, yun yung gusto mangyari ni sa Speaker Romualdez.
Earlier, several House Solons expressed dismay over reports Guo had left the Philippines last month. According to House Deputy Majority Leader Jude Asidre, this issue may possibly be included in the agenda in the next hearing of the House Quad Committee, especially since Guo has been implicated on the issue of illegal pogos.
Itong nangyari na nawala si Alice Guo, pagpapatunay lang na mas kailangan natin paigtingin ang pag-iimbestiga. Probably not as a separate investigation, but definitely something that the Quadcom needs to also study and to also investigate. Kasi makikita, ito yung sinabi ni Kong Jay, no? Hindi naman to mangyayari nang walang kooperasyon ng iilan sa gobyerno o merong may pumalya sa gobyerno.
Meanwhile, one of those implicated in illegal drugs probe during the Quadcom hearing was the husband of Vice President Sara Duterte, Attorney Manasseh Scorpio. But in a statement, Scorpio strongly asserted the accusations hurled by former Customs Intelligence Officer Jimmy Guban against him are entirely baseless and maliciously false. He also called the situation politically motivated. But the lower house asserted,
I think it's wrong for statesmen to say na huwag kayong magtrabaho dyan because, this is politically motivated, No, we have to look into the institutional safeguards. Why did we end up having these problems with POGOs? Was there abuse of authority in the highest level? We need to identify the problem so we can find the solution. That's the job of Congress.
Vice President Sara Duterte also criticized earlier the House's Quadcom hearing, although one lawmaker had this to say.
Hindi naman ibig sabihin na porket asawa at kapatid ni VP Sara yung mga nai-implicate dito sa investigation, itatahimik na lang ang Kongreso. Mali naman yata yun. Wala itinatago. Wala naman siguro silang, hindi naman siguro dapat sila matakot na humarap sa Kongreso.
Melelas Mores from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.